Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix under extrusion in Orca Slicer. So fixing the under extrusion in Orca Slicer involves basically three multiple steps or ways. The easiest and the thing that you have to do first is to actually navigate through the advanced pressure. It's going to be inside calibration. Click advanced pressure and you could just select something like VDE. I have the PA tower, and in here I have something like the start PA and end PA. I'm just going to click on OK. Then it will take me to my pressure advanced calibration. Now, if you don't know how to calibrate your advanced pressure, just go ahead and navigate through another video because it's going to be a whole new topic. Right after, you could also try adjusting or increasing the flow ratio or the flow rate. You could simply do that by navigating through your filament, and from here you have the flow ratio and advanced pressure. Obviously, you could do this after calibrating your advanced pressure. If you see a not so detailed or not a great print result, you want to go ahead and actually add it out and increase the flow ratio right here. And the last thing that I recommend is increasing the nozzle temperature. So once again, it's going to be inside filament. In here, we have the nozzle temperature for first layer and other layers. So you could increase this manually, or you could do another calibration for this one. I believe it's going to be something like the temperature test. And then we have the start temperature and the end temperature. Let's do something like PLA. Click on discharge or discard, and basically it will just print this specific tower on different temperatures, and you could just look for a specific temperature that will provide you with the best results. So for example, let's say that you have something like 200 provides us with the best results. You could just make sure to enter that on the nozzle temperature itself. So there's a whole lot of topic regarding this, but generally that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.